I've spent my entire career teaching students and teachers and just about anybody who will listen to me the wonders of science to help explain the world around us. But recently I've had some trouble. You see, my adult daughter believes in unicorns, and my other adult daughter, she believes in fairies. Now, that was okay until my granddaughter, Rowan, came along. Rowan, who calls me Pops, believes in Elsa and the powers of Frozen. So it's got me thinking, maybe there is something to this world of magic. Maybe science needs to step aside. Maybe magic works. Maybe it's not all about science and things. Maybe it is about magic. Whoa, what just happened? Wow, cool outfit. Almost looks like a magic outfit. I got the light, my hair, my magic medallion. Now, I think Rowan, my granddaughter, will like this, but I got to come up with a magic name. Let's see. She calls me Pops. I could be Pops. No, that won't work. Wizard. No, that won't work. How about the Wizard of Pop? Yes, I like that. So let me try if this works. So this paper here, I'm not sure if this will work, but let's see what happens. Let me say that again. The Wizard of Pop. Whoa. That is very, very dangerous. I have to be so careful because I don't know what could happen with this. That fire was everywhere. Let's see. How did that work? Let's see. I went. Oh, that's so cool. Let's try that again. Ready? Got it. Oh, that is so cool. And I can throw it from hand to hand and across to that hand. Got it. Oh, that is amazing. That's a problem. Maybe. Oh, got it. Oh no. What am I going to do with that? Put it back. This magic is too much for me. Oh, I have no idea. Oh, got it. And maybe I could do this. That was too much for me. Now, I usually do science projects, but let's see if I can try some magic props. And this came from very far away in like Egypt, where I studied some ancient Egyptians, and maybe I can get this light bulb to work. I usually teach that you cannot create and destroy energy, only transfer it, but maybe with magic in my rings, let's try. Whoa! Oh, I know. You probably think there's a button there, but no, this is magic, not science. This is what, like, I know sound is vibration, but if anybody can do that, but let me see if I can use my powers of magic or science. I'm not sure anymore. I do know that I've been trying to make things float. Let's see here. I get this cup, empty cup, and I'm going to see if I can get it to float. Let's see. This is the hard part. Ready? One hand first. Magic. Oh, the second hand. This is the hard part. Whoa! I can't believe it. Let's try it again. Whoa! That's incredible, but I don't know if this cup is going to do much, but let's try it. Here we go. We pour some water in and see. 1, 2, 3. I hate this part. Maybe a little more water. And this is where I get myself in trouble. And magic or science? I'm not sure anymore. Everybody needs one of these if you're going to do magic. It's a bag, a special bag that's completely empty. And I have here a green handkerchief. Hypothesis. Let's see if I can put that in there. And I put it in there. And I think the magic word is hypothesis. Let's try it again. Hypothesis. Ready? And What? Maybe Rowan is right. Maybe Frozen does have powers. Maybe my daughter's right. Maybe unicorns are real. I'm losing my mind. Luckily, the Egyptians might help me. But I don't know about fairies. Let's see. Speaking of fairies, I've been working on a fairy. Let's see here. I got this little fairy in this bottle right here. And maybe use my magic rings, my star of sapphire, my blue turquoise from the mines of Arizona. Here we go. Ready? Down, down, down. Stop. Fairy, come up. Go back down, fairy. It's almost as if my finger has the power to come up and down. Magic or science? I'm not sure anymore. Oh no, let's see. This one is a genie in a bottle. A genie sounds kind of weird, but if you watch, let's see. Nothing on the end, no magnets, that's science. Put it in here and I turn it upside down and genie, hold on. I must not be trying hard enough. Ready? Genie, hold on. 1, 2, 3. What? Magic or science? 1, 2, 3. Oh, but wait a minute. I know what you're saying. You hear something in there. I heard it too. I heard there was a marble. Did you see the marble? That's not magic. I mean, I had that marble in there. And when I tipped it upside down, that crazy marble right here would... Okay. That is weird. Not sure what's going on there. But I have been trying to make a little bit of money. I don't know. So I have in here a marker and a piece of, this is probably against the law. Please don't turn me in, but I have an empty milk carton, a very special milk carton. And I have my green paper, and I could use like a $20. So I'm gonna write on here a picture of a president and write $20. $20. I'm not too good at writing, but let's see what happens. Ready? Here's my paper, and let's see here. I need to do something. I know hypothesis is a good magic word. What about collect data? So shake that in there. You still see it in there? Shake it around. Okay, close the lid. Question, hypothesis, procedure, collect data. Let's see what's going to happen. Open it up and pull it out, and oh my goodness. Making money with magic. How's that going to happen? I'm not sure, because when I dump it out, nothing is left inside of here. I don't know. This is pretty overwhelming for me. Egyptians, magic. Okay, last one. I got some containers here and cups, and so these cups are empty, and I got a ball right here. Let me move this ancient Egyptian thing away. Keep your eye on this empty cup, empty cups, and okay, right here, ready? Yeah, right there, ready? Empty, empty. Okay, here we go. Ready? Keep your eye on that one. Okay, here we go. Slide, 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 slide. Which one is it, do you think? One more switch. Here we go. And, not that one. Maybe. Not that one. Not that one. Wow. Let's see. Question, hypothesis, procedure, collect data, conclusion. Let's see. It's back. Very good. But maybe that was too hard for you. Let's put this one away and just try this one, these two right here. So we have this one and we have this one. Ready? Keep your eye on that one. Science magic. Keep your eye on it. Where'd it go? Which one? Which one? I bet you think it is this one, or is it this one? Let's check this one. Ready? Nothing. So it has to be in that one. This magic is not such a big deal. Check it out. Ready? And what? Okay, I give up. I better stick to question, hypothesis, procedures, collect data, come to a conclusion. This magic stuff is kind of freaking me out. Maybe there are unicorns, maybe there are fairies, and maybe Elsa it does have powers, but I got to stop this. Maybe I can do one more thing where I disappear and come back as a science teacher. I hope so. Ready? 1, 2. I don't know what just happened, but I'm glad I'm back to teaching science, because the nature of science is that math is the language of science. We have hypotheses, we have questions, we set up procedures, and we test ideas and control the variables, and we look at our data to make conclusions. But I do know that science cannot prove a negative. So maybe there is something to Rowan's powers of Frozen and Elsa. I don't know. I'm going to keep teaching science until I can find a way to test it. I hope you do too.